Hey guys, I wanted to welcome you to my new segment, Cakin and Bakin. So this week I wanted to see about remaking the Starbucks lemon loaf. I have become addicted to it and I just can't budget for it anymore. So I was like, let's see if I can recreate it. And let me tell you guys, this cake came out way better than expected. Look at how moist and flaky it is. So of course we're going to start by greasing our pan. I did not have a loaf pan, so I used my bundt pan. I am combining all of the dry ingredients as well as all of the wet ingredients. And if you see some little hands in the video, that's because I do have my helper, my little niece, and we are recreating this cake together. So once you combine all of your wet ingredients, you will then go ahead and begin to incorporate your dry ingredients. You'll do it in batches, making sure not to overmix the batter. Also remember to use a spatula to scrape down the sides so everything gets incorporated. Once everything is fully combined, we're going to pour it into our bundt pan. You want to make sure that you get all of that delicious batter inside the pan, making sure to scrape down the sides. Believe me, you are not going to want to leave any of this batter behind. Once I got everything in, I'm going to do a little taste test, and believe me, it is delicious. Oh my gosh, thumbs up all the way. Once I washed my hands, I went ahead and put the cake into the oven. It bakes for about 55 minutes on 350. And when it's done, you guys, look at how good this cake looks. It comes out beautifully golden brown, and it will make your whole kitchen smell just like lemon. Now, while the cake is cooling, we are going to make the icing. And I will tell you guys that this recipe duplicated this icing to a T. It is amazing how exact this icing is compared to the lemon loaf. And this is me showing you guys my little tool to get the lemon juice out. This just screws into the lemon, and then you have the little pump sprayer. You guys, this actually works. I was so shocked. It worked really well. So here we are, just continuing to add in all the ingredients. And of course, I will be including the recipe that we used in the description box below. So make sure that you check it out and try this recipe for yourself. Now it's time to go ahead and release this cake. I was so nervous that the cake wouldn't come out of the pan, but after a few taps on the bottom of the bundt pan, we did get it to release. We had a little bit of a scary moment here because it didn't come out immediately. We got crossed fingers over there from the sous chef. We had to tap a little bit harder. And then next thing you know, boom, baby, there's the cake. It came out without a hitch. I know it looks a little rough, but I promise you guys, it tastes amazing. So of course, now it's time to ice the cake. Please make sure that your cake is fully cooled because you don't want the icing to start to melt. You actually want it to harden a little bit so it'll have that consistency of the Starbucks lemon loaf. And then because we are extra, we added edible gold dust. And here is the Starbucks lemon loaf recreation complete. I love how this cake came out. We are so proud. I feel like this is one of the best things I've ever baked. And I wish I could give you guys a taste. I really do, because you would not regret it. And if I do say so myself, I think it's better than the Starbucks lemon loaf. You know, don't come for me in the comments. I'm just saying. Thanks for joining me for my new segment, Cakin and Bakin with Haiku Creations, where once a month I'm going to pick a dessert or even a dish from a restaurant that I really like and attempt to recreate it on the channel. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. And leave me a comment down below suggesting a new recipe to try for this segment on the channel. And I will take a look and pick the one that I like. All right, you guys, that's it for the video this week. Remember, wherever you are and whatever you're doing, hope you're having a great day and always keep creating.